The check LKAS warning in your Hyundai indicates a problem with the lane keeping assist system. LKAS helps prevent unintentional lane departures by gently steering you back into your lane. The warning appears when the system detects a malfunction. Common causes include sensor obstructions like dirt or fog, calibration issues after tire changes or accidents, electrical or software faults, poor road conditions with faded lane markings, and steering angle sensor problems. Addressing this warning is crucial for maintaining vehicle safety and the functionality of your ADAS system. Ignoring it can compromise safety. Start with basic fixes. Clean the camera lens with a soft cloth and mild soap to remove dirt or debris that might block lane detection. Then, reset the system by turning off the ignition for 5 to 10 minutes. This can clear temporary glitches. If the warning persists, use a Hyundai diagnostic tool via OBD2 scanner to check for error codes such as C100 for steering angle sensor issues. Recalibration at a dealership might be necessary, typically costing $100 to $200 if not under warranty. Ensure your Hyundai's software is up to date with OTA updates for models like 2022, 2025 Tucson, Santa Fe, and Palisade. Regularly inspect sensors to prevent future issues.